What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there was a crazy moment between Musa Mseleku and Mpumelelo, and you all know these two guys, they've decided to go with polygamy. And Mseleku was actually laughing and saying, those who want to go can actually go. We are not begging anyone here. He himself was talking about his wives who are not happy about him marrying a fifth wife. And as you know, Mseleku as the father to Mpumelelo, he was sort of like guiding this guy in the wrong direction in how to treat polygamy. After hearing all of that, Makhumalo herself was not happy with how Mseleku was actually saying all of that. Because in the first instance, Mseleku had actually said that when his wives were there, and he was actually saying those who are not happy can actually go. And this time he actually says it in the presence of Mpumelelo, who is on the brink of getting into polygamy. Now, what kind of like a direction is he setting for this guy? Obviously, this is some kind of wrong guidance from Mseleku himself, and no wonder Makhumalo was actually not happy about all of this. And the sad and unfortunate part is that Makhumalo, there's nothing she can do about it in her attempts to try and change Mseleku. The only thing that is there is to actually hope that Mseleku himself changes himself and becomes a much better man.